In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create account in Wave Accounting. If you are trying to get your business organized, the first step is creating your Wave account. This only takes a few minutes, and once you are in, you can start setting up your business details right away. First, go to the Wave Accounting website. On your screen, you should see the main homepage for Wave. Take a moment to make sure you are on the official site, since you will be entering account information soon. When you are ready, look for the button that says Get Started Now or Sign Up for Free. This button is usually located near the top of the page or in the main area of the homepage. Click that option to begin the sign-up process. Next, you will be taken to the account creation page. Here, you will enter your email address and choose a secure password. For the password, choose something that is strong and unique. A secure password usually combines letters, numbers, and mixed capitalization, and it avoids common or easily guessed words. As you type, pay attention to the password rules if they appear on the screen, such as minimum length or required character types. After you have entered both fields, you can confirm that everything looks correct before moving on. Now, click Create Your Free Account or Get Started. This is the action that submits your information and launches your new Wave account setup. It is normal for the page to load for a moment, especially if the website is confirming your details. While it is loading, you should watch for any messages on the screen that indicate you need to correct something, like an invalid email format or a password that does not meet requirements. Valve will guide you through the next part of setup. The system will prompt you to enter your business name, country, and currency. This step matters because it helps Wave tailor the account features and settings to your location and how you want to display financial information. Start by entering your business name exactly as you want it to appear in Wave. If you are setting up a sole proprietorship, you may use your business or brand name. Then select your country from the options provided. Finally, choose your currency based on where you conduct business and how you want transactions recorded. Once you have filled in your business name, country, and currency, review the information before you proceed. This is the point where small details matter, because your currency setting will influence how amounts are shown throughout the platform. If you notice anything that looks off, go back and adjust it. When everything looks right, follow the prompts to continue. Wave may provide additional setup items after this, but for now, your goal is to complete the initial account creation and business profile details. At this stage, you have successfully created your Wave accounting account and set the core information it needs to start working with you. You are now ready to move on to the next steps in organizing your finances, invoices, and reports, depending on what you plan to do first. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.